Family. We say family. Family. We say family. Happy, blessed Wednesday. People, me say me have an appointment, remember? It's not an appointment that was set by someone. I was going somewhere. You can do walk-in. But because I say me I go Wednesday. People, when me see the temperature, first of all, I came home late. Last night was one of those nights that I worked 45 minutes later than usual. I always clock out 2 o'clock. We get some additional work. And I tell you, me just take time to my thing. Even when I was leaving, I left a co-worker there who is far younger than me. You understand? Who was far younger than me. I guess she clocked out 3 o'clock. I clocked out like 2:40, 2:45. I punched out. And, you know, now I tell you something. Usually, me da cuss and go on, not cuss them like, but, you know, I curse like, I can't buy now. Them a go work and them not hire the people, man. But let me tell you something. It's the two way me say I go on now. I have to just humble myself and say, thank God I have a work. Thank God me even have an extra overtime. Thank God me have a vehicle. Because the brick too, you know. And let me tell you something. I just thank God. You know, last night, I tell you, say, you know, sometimes it takes some things to happen for you to really realize that you're blessed. Because sometimes you're blessed and you don't even know say you're blessed, you know. Unless you compare yourself to some people, you really don't know say you're blessed and you are living somewhat okay, comfortably, you know? Yeah, and last night, you know, I was so upset and they look like me have arthritis, as I tell you, because when the time cold, I wish need that. And now, my left hand, my right hand, my left hand, my left hand. The left knee act up sometime. And that this Saturday delay me too. And thing like that. So, I was like, oh my God, you know? But I could have quarreled because when I came home, when I saw the news, not even if I came home last night, but at night time I come in and I see how many people have been laid off, 75,000 people been laid off. You say to yourself, what's next for you? So right now, I have to just thank God for the extra work and thank God for the overtime. Because mighty God, and these people are being laid off now. You have to wonder if them never did vote for Mr. Man. Yes, you say everybody I feel it. All who never vote and all who did vote for him. I feel it. I feel it. Because right now the 75,000 people are in a theme kind of people, theme complexion people. I feel it. When I see the news, yeah. So me that for the stand. I say anybody out there will always feel fed up as the lady that tell me the other day say, one of our co-worker, our niece or our auntie was saying that she have to do the overtime. You know, say the overtime will burn me up, but thank God we have the overtime. Because it's better we have the overtime by our compared to not having any time. A lie? Or even less time. Because your rent now decrease when your job decrease. Your rent has stand up. Your rent has stand up. Your light bill has stand up. Anything, any bill you have stand up. So, we don't want to less pay around here, but may I tell you. So, that threw me off coming in later, hour later. And then we wake up and see the temperature. I made us roll over. Because it wasn't a mandatory appointment. You understand as I say? I made her do a walk in to somewhere. So, there goes that. And I decided to wear this stuff to keep my head warm. Because may I tell you, say, may I tell you, people, I do not even know where to. I don't even know what this topic is gonna call because I don't know. I woke up to this morning and just laying around and I turn on the TV. I mostly watch YouTube and TV too. I don't really watch on my phone. I don't know why. And so I watch The Great Soul Flow. And he was talking about, he had all kind of topics, but the last topic was about immigration. right? Its last topic was about immigration. And anytime I call him name is because this guy, when he brings his news and whatever he's reporting, him have the life resources in front of him, like whether it's the TV, whatever channel, Jamaica Gleaner, whatever, whoever it come from, he make sure it's come from reputable people, and him read it, make you hear, and all them things and where you can go find it, right? Now remember, I came last week or so and I said lawyer up. If you have an appointment, immigration appointment, lawyer up. You know, 1 and 2 people was like, stop scaring the people. Well, not 1 and 2 people. This particular person was saying, stop scaring the people. Da 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 da. 1 and 2 asked me where them get the money from for lawyer up. But damn if you do and damn if you don't. Damn if you do and damn if you don't. Because the only reason why I say lawyer up, you know. And I really don't know if the lawyer can really save you either. But I know that there are times when lawyer represent you. And sometimes immigration people ask you questions that they're not even supposed to ask. And the lawyer can say they do not have to answer. Because I've heard people who went in with lawyers where stop the investigator people them from asking. Because them ask some things where it's not lawful to ask you that for the interview. But we don't know the process. We don't know the rules and so. So the lawyer would have stopped it right there and said, my client is not answering that. Just like, oh, that's what I'm always saying for lawyer up with police. Because police asks you anything and the lawyer will tell him, say, no, they are not answering that question. And so the same thing. So when I say lawyer up, me only as a lawyer up because let us say you do not have anything against you. But it's a trick interview for ICE all on you. Because ICE alibi is, as them say, them are only on the grounds of already overstay your time. Remember, that is why you're applying for a green card, because you know you overstay your time. You understand? You knew you overstay your time. So they're going after the original fact. They might ignore the fact that you are already somewhat pre-approved by getting your work permit and your social. Them are dismiss that. They are dismissing that basically. And no, you go in for your interview and you are being pulled away. So I'm saying if you have a lawyer, maybe you can say, no, this person that I don't know. I'm just saying. Because I don't know. You know, so when we say lawyer up, it's not like I'm 100, because right now the lawyer could have worked. I don't know if it can work. I don't really know. But when I was listening to Soul Flow, is basically what I learned from what he was saying is damn if you do and damn if you don't when them call it in. That means if you go in, you can be taken away. And if you don't go in, right away your name on the mandatory deportation. Because you miss your appointment, you're illegal, okay, you don't give a damn. So you don't even know what to do. Because as I said before, I was told because somebody knows somebody who got in and them all upon them. Person didn't have no record, person went in for them interview. And that is why I try to come here, anything I know and hear about, and I try to get you guys aware. That's why I say lawyer up. No, maybe the lawyer, I don't know. Because I can't come here and tell you, say, oh, don't go in for the interview. No. So the best thing around going into the interview is to go in with someone who knows the laws and if them supposed to do certain. I don't know. I really don't know. The only other good thing again going in with the lawyer is the lawyer is there to file a certain paper same time and can stop deportation same time. Because remember, you know, when they catch you on the road or wherever, you're not get a chance to call a lawyer. Your lawyer, by the time you call your lawyer, you did there at New York, you reach Virginia, and next thing you there Jamaica. At least, if you're going with your lawyer as well, Your lawyer can get the paper, whatever paper, sign immediately and stop certain things immediately. I guess. I guess if you go in with a lawyer, at least him can do that, or she can do that. Whatever grounds, them jump on it right away. Right away. I want to tell you something too. I saw it on the news Saturday. 6 immigration judges were fired. 6 immigration judges were fired. 6 immigration judges were fired. You understand? I don't know. I come with this story every day because it's happening. And I don't know. You know, normally I'm a person. Normally I'm a thinker. This is my alarm 1:45. Will always wake me up. Like to get up, you know, because I will wake up and I will just lay around watching TV. So every day, 12:45, I know say, listen, get up and move around if you want, because I'm not an early eater. I am a late eater. But should me come talk to you sometime early, because now I just get up now. I'm going to look about my tea about 2 o'clock, so yeah. And so, but should me come talk to you, say, I have a cup of tea, get up and, you know. And every time I come out the window with it, hot, it's somewhat get lukewarm real quick, and the little breeze that come right through. Because you know, so you can't stop wind. Yeah. No window is that airtight. No window. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know. Usually I'm a person. I'm a thinker. But listen to Soul Flow too. Him said this man was stopped. Just a regular traffic stop. That's why I tell you, say, all agencies are working together. This was a traffic stop. This not have nothing to do with immigration. So you did it, come and tell you, say, all government agencies are doing a part of the ice work on the thing allow me to tell. So Soul Flow was saying that one of the cases was about this man traffic stop. And everything else was good. I don't even know why them stop him. And them give him 2 weeks to leave the country. This other person again appear in traffic court. I was there. This is a different person. So them there at the traffic courts. And this man was there with his family. Like, I don't know. Whatever. And I'm going with him. And Soul Flow say even the judge was like astonished, like, you know, I'm so sorry, you know, because everybody's allowed to do their job. And you can't say, I saw come and you try. Mayor Adams surprised me the other day big time when they asked him, what do you think about the ICE, you know, going to apartments and, you know, if they come, let us say they come for John Brown in the person's house, they check everybody else, and if the other people who are not criminals, who have done they don't have any criminal records, have done anything wrong with the law, why him say, well, you know, they have to do their job. That's what Mayor Adams said. They have to do their job. This was one of the biggest sanctuary states in America, New York. You come here, you feel like you're a citizen, you're not bothered, you work where you work, and you go about your business. You never feel, you understand? And now, that's what he said. I saw it on the news. I saw him saying it myself. I heard him. I saw him. He said, well, they have to do their job. Not saying, well, we're going to fight for those people because they're innocent, even though they are here illegally, but they have no crime. Da, da, da. No, he said they have to do their job. So, what are you going to do? Nobody can stop them. Because that's their job for you, to find if you're illegal. That's their job to deport you. So, now, Mayor Adams had this thing that go on with his name. And now they said they're gonna drop all charges against him. Yes, he's been vindicated, acquitted, even though it was a trial. Them dropping all charges against him. And 4 or 6 of his workers, employees, quit because, like they must say, him sell out the immigrants for his pardon or for his freedom. That's what the news said. And that is the thing about, everybody put fear in their life. And you can't even blame them because in everything, especially in this country, there's always a little blackmail to it. Right? And you say if your hands dirty or you have a little, and them say, listen, we can fix that. If you do this, we can do that for you. You're not going to serve your time, your record of work clean, da-da-da-da-da. Hey, you know what I'm saying? So, I just don't know. People, me know if it's true, don't know if it's true or a rumor, come here and go back in the Bobbies again. I heard that they went back into Bobbies again. Let me see. My friend's supposed to sleep. Let me see. Because she was to get back to the person and get back to me. Let me see. Basically, I'm going to Bobbies again. I was like, are you for real? Look at Steve. Because she didn't answer her phone till after 2:30, and now it's just not even fully 1 o'clock. When she get back to me, yeah, she called me, she was telling me, say, so I see a video, I know, so I'm going back in the Bobbies again. Me say, are you for real? She said she said I'm going back in Bobbies again. I don't know. This is crazy. But once them see people, I drive past and see people. Can remember, it's all about chances, So if them a drive past and I see people in there, nothing, they want bingo. Out of every maybe 5 person, they might go with a 1 person. They want bingo. So what that mean now? So they're literally, as me tell you, they're literally smoking us out. Right? You're in a situation wherein you feel like you're choke. So you have to go outside for breathe. You have to jump through the window. You have to go through any crack. You have to do anything to breathe because they're smoking us out. Just imagine now, this is really like a hostage situation. Because you are so intimidated, so afraid to go anywhere. Not, because chance really are taking. Let me tell you something. And it sounds so crazy to know say a chance you really are taking. A chance you're taking. Because if you go and come home, hooray. You made it. But if you go out there and you get caught, who is to blame? And we all know say you have to go out. I'm just saying though, what are the choices do we have? Or do they have? Everybody have to work. No friend can call me right now for do certain things due to my job type. So just imagine now, let us say I have a friend and she don't want me to go to the supermarket fair. The sacrifice me have to make now for go to the supermarket for she. Because I come home from work at a certain time. Right? I come from work before day. Right? When I come home from work, me can't go sleep right away. I'm up until about 5 o'clock, 5:30, 6 o'clock the latest. 6 o'clock the latest. I'm up. So I'm in my house from 2:30. And I usually go into my room by 5 o'clock. And when I go in the room, come in the living room. When I go in the room now, I still go turn on the TV. So me, most of the time, me drop asleep between 5:36. You understand? So, you know it's a 4 hour sleep. You understand? And then you have to get up now and say, oh my God, get some stuff for so and so. It's hard. It's hard for me. So anybody out there in that situation, people do things to you, understand? It's a big sacrifice I make for your mama and papi. A big sacrifice. Big sacrifice because people are going to be inconvenienced to do things to other people. And we have to help them at the same time. We have to help them. But it's just, but how long we can do it for? How long you can do it for? How long can we do it for? Before we start get fed up and say, Lord God, you know? Because you know, we people, we can't do things too long, you know. Worse if in the immediate family. I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't know, guys. I really don't know if we call that topic here. God damn if you do and damn if you don't. I so flow say a 50-50. And that me said the other day. A 50-50. A chance that can you get an interview and you get your date. And you know say you don't really have nothing against your name. Just to overstay. All I know, anybody who's going in, and them do go in and get through, destiny is destiny and God is God. Because right now, you don't know. Normally you're proud and you feel glad, me I'm going, you know. You tell everybody say you're going. I never have that experience because I came up straight. But I have known people who go in and I tell them all come home, them all plan them party before, because them know them I get it. And then plan a little celebration, something, you know? And it always work out. Sometimes I'm going and, you know, it pending. But most everybody, or me, you know, we go through them something, always get it. I don't really know nobody, well, only one person I know they get turned down. And that one person who get turned down, you're not going to believe the story. This is the one person who get turned down. You see the immigration stories? I have some stories where if you don't know the people in for yourself, you say, I may I tell you the truth. Even when the person I got treat, me feel say I like the person that tell. Me feel say I like the person that tell. And I know the person. Me feel say I like the person that tell. Because hear this story now, people, and tell me. This person was sponsored by her father. Listen to the story here now. This person was sponsored by her father. Right? And I wonder if I should have called her. Alright, this person was sponsored. Because I like prove my things, you know. Alright, so this person was sponsored by her father. At the time, the person, she was living here at the time. She come up on visa. Obviously, she overstayed. And so, her father put in her papers. She was in her late 30s, about 40. They wrote her a letter and told her that she could not get through. She would have to go back home and whatever. And things like that. Months after she get a letter, she get her green card. And I said, really? Get her green card, went home. As a matter of fact, when her father put in the paper, she has only one child. So the father put she and the son on the paper. Right? For some reason, the son was drop off the paper. We don't know how the filing go, but him never depend it. So by the time she get through by herself. The son was in Jamaica. at the time. So she went home. Obviously, she wanted to see her son. But he used to travel, so because he have a visa and to travel. So she went home, spent time with her grandmother, have fun, and came back up, and everything was good. About a year after, she decided to start putting her son papers. Right? They call her in. And she go in and ask her how she get green card. How she get the green card. Remember, you know, them said green card come here, you know. And them ask her how she get the green card. Obviously, it was taken away. It was taken away. And they tell her that the only way she could get through is, I guess, by marriage. Right? Long story short, she do what she have to do, don't it? Do you know that she's in the system now? About 15 years. Without anything. Every time she forgot in, it's a problem. Every time it's cancelled. Come in, you know. And guess what? The husband dead now. Husband dead about 2 weeks. And guess what? The son get through. Because me, I said to her, no sir, because there was a time when me and she did last contact. And me talk to her auntie on and off. And me I said, I lie she tell nothing can go so. Me never hear this in my life. Because immigration is something I'm always tell you, so within 90 days. This about 15 years, I swear. This about 15 years. And she was to go in last month again, or last year rather. It got to 2026. I swear, people. Believe me, it got to 2026. 2026 it got to. It got to 2026. Interview. Not even 2025, you know. 2026. And the son come get through now about 3 years or two going 3 years. And she didn't get through yet, and the man got dead now 2 years now. Well, I think this year's 2 years. No. Me know said unheard of. Me know son they can't believe me. Because it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense to me either. If our son never get through there, because although me and she talk from time to time, me still think say like she take. Come here say nothing can go so. 15 years, I go down more than 15, about 15 years. About 15 years. Let me do a call because they don't believe me. I'm going to do a call. Because they're not going to believe me. They're not going to believe me. They're not believe me. They may never hear this in my life. And now the appointment gone to 20. Baby, what's up? How long your papers in now? Because I do a YouTube, but I talk about you, but I nah. No man, you mad? You crazy? I tell you talk to you and speak. I don't want nobody catch your voice. How long you married? How long you married now? You want to hear your voice? Or no? Alright. Yeah, definitely. What you say? (2010) 2012. So it's 13 years. Mm-hmm. Because me tell the people them say, me never hear this in my life. I know you have an appointment for 2026. Be say, be talk about say, no sir. Mm-hmm. So she wasn't the original liar. A lie. You know, some me something about something they already to about this liar who wasn't whatever and show that people who go in under she they get messed up too. Me you know so she come from you know. I was just watching it on the news the other day about this there was this liar and there was this liar who anybody who I think I come the person must say they come back from and in at the airport something like that I was hearing and them deny the person because oh yeah oh go the person went down but the person never get them green card yet them only get the stamp and them say them could have travel like my mother never get a green card in her hand when she traveled first and when the person came back up sure the person never get the green card in her hand them start questioning her and thing and so who her liar was and realized her liar was a bootleg liar and so the woman was turned back. I just saw that. So I must say something like that. I go all year liar. Wow. But you never tell me that part. I never know that. Oh, so it's something that you do all over again. So when you find that out, when you find that out, so okay, me never know that. Me never know that part there at all. No, me know that. Me know that. Me know that. I mean, I go even say that part there. Find it something. Cause normally that's what they say. But me I forgot talk, man. Me I forgot coming up. Oh, and that wait there, and that she did get that. So wait there, me know say you make that. Me just tell him. Me just tell. So wait there. When your father do it, you used the lie when your father was doing it. Me never know say you used a lie with your father. I did not know you went through a lie when you was doing it with your father. I didn't know that. No. Me sir, I don't know if you do something to make you talk, man. I'm here for yourself, you see, man. But I don't know your voice, you know. But me sir, me never for true because all you said to me now the first me I know. I did not know you had used a liar with your dad because guess what? Sure your father, I never expect you to use a liar. So she did do it, so and you get through and then you go down. Can't me tell him say you go down and come back up and when you sponsor your son now. What they did? They call you in? So wait there, when you sponsor your son now, what they do? They call you in? You should have never gotten that. You should get it here at Jamaica. You should have picked it up. Right. And them take it from you. Our. Them take it from you. Wow. Right. The judge tell you that? The immigration judge tell you that? An immigration judge tell you that? Or you go to an immigration court? Okay. So you get that people, she went to an immigration, so you end up going to a court. Why you went to the court? Because what? Oh. So she got a letter saying she have to leave the country, right? And why you get an appointment for go to court? So she get an appointment for go to immigration court. And the judge what the judge tell you say? In order for her to stay in the country, she would have to be married. An immigration judge tell her that. So basically, I tell you for do something illegal to get through. Basically, that's what he was doing indirectly. He might tell you, say, in other words, for you get through over here, and then you finally get married, and now, and so, all right, so after that now, after him tell you that now, and you get married now, 13 years later, and you still can't get through. So what him say? What him say now? Him say you can't get it? What him a say? Me know say your son get him green card. So all right, when you got this lawyer then? That's the question. When you no, me not. No, the new lawyer, man. Me not talk she. The Jewish one is a woman too? Or is a lady too? Okay. Let me tell you something. Your story is something else because I have never heard anybody in an immigration married for all. This 30 people 13 years, you know. The woman said from 2012. You ever hear that story yet? Never. You know, someone name a topic here say, what am I to name it now? Married and waiting for 13 years. Still me don't know if I can say, me don't know if I can find a good something. Because this is crazy. Now me gone 30 something. I'm 35 minutes. Me never talk so long yet. I always go the longest like 31 minutes. But me need to call you. You know, someone start call people me know. No, I'm not calling name, man. No, sir. No, come on. I'm not calling name for me. A friend from the Pitney days of Jamaica, you know. How are this? Yeah. So now that your husband died, you have to do what kind of paper? Yeah, so what kind of paper you have to do? Take time to you talk. What? You know that spell? Widow? Oh, widow. You don't see it that bad though. Widow. Okay. Double ID. Okay. A widow. Okay. Come to say widow. Me, what the hell is widow? Oh, widow. Yeah, that made him say husband all died now about 2 years this year or 3 years this year. So 2 years this. Oh, the 5th of June? That, you know, so that time the daddy bury? The 5th of June? Yeah. My grandfather memorial. 2023. So this year 2 years. Listen, me have to call you back for that video yeah, because this is going to run too long because me never know all way I tell me now. Me never know say the woman. Because me hear somebody say this lawyer did it to them too and when them go down and come back up. But the thing is, it's like oh you did get your green card and go down. She never get the green card in her hand. She had went down with a stamp in her book. Because my mother, you know, when my mother first come down, you know, she never had a green card in her hand either, you know. But she had something stamped in her book and she had a paper card. But them tell her so she can't travel with that until the green card come in. So my mother did travel with it and come back up and she good. But when the lady they came back up now, them start interrogate the lady and realize her lawyer was one on the thing as one of them fake lawyer there. So from your lawyer fake, they must say all the paperwork's fake and whatever. So that I'm to you too. Wow, interesting. I didn't know that. Then they put her right away, them turn her right back on the plane. You know, say, me don't know how long ago it is, but she me that watch it on one program and she was telling her story. And it sound like a recent because she down there mad out right now. So it sound like a Christmas or something like that, yeah. Because she never see her children for a while. So me hear say she literally down there like she mad out, right, you know, because, you know, if you know, say she just lose out everything like that and the green card is... Me don't know, so right now, me don't know. No, but nothing was wrong. Remember, you could have traveled. My mother came down the first time in 1988. A long time, so them didn't know this guy. They go down when his mother died too, and him never get the green card name, and him get that, and him go down and him come back up. That was years ago. It was legal because it was a travel document. You know, it wasn't a green card, but it was the substitute of a green card until you get the green card in your hand. You understand? Because the stamp in the book, you know, there's a stamp in your passport that also qualifies you to travel before you get the green card in your hand. But because the lady, the liar, is a bootleg, yeah. You understand? So from she fake, all documents are go fake for Uno. So what to she now? She's still around? Nobody lock her up or what? Well, you don't know. Okay. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. People, see, they are the first me I know all of this, and come here, she never really talk in depth like this. But only know say, but me never know about the fake lie and all of that and everything like that. Me just think say, you know. Well, B, now you will talk. Alright, baby, yeah. Guys, when I forget name a topic, you know, so I'm going to want a good piece of sauce. I couldn't make sure she said, no, Ali, no, make them hear my voice. Guys, like, share, and subscribe. I forget get pan her again. I know so no want hear me talk to her again, don't it? So this woman away for green card now for 13 years under marriage. You ever hear? And she said, the judge told her, ma'am, the only way you can get a green card. Hold on, let me ask her something. Because, hold on there. Let me ask her something. Because, hold on there. Let me ask her this. Because that means say, him could have determined her, him could have deported her right away. So B, when the judge, so when you're going to the judge, you're going because you had a mandatory deportation, right? Yeah. So what happened after that? You liar. Right, so you still was on mandatory deportation, basically? But you have to just same never have no restriction like. Okay, oh. You see, if I didn't know, then that is hold on you right away. You saw the large flexible them time there. You saw the large flexible them time there. Him still make you walk out and whatever. But if I know, them that just hold on you right away and go on with you. You know? Alright. If I want more information, if people tell me say they want hear more from you, I will call you back. Alright, yeah. Thanks for your info, B. Yeah. So did you see the judge should walk out and tell her, say, she said the judge say, you know. So I guess she was still, I don't know. But the judge tell her, say, the only way, ma'am, you can get your visa, your green card here unless you're married to. And 13 years later, she still not get it. No, she had an interview last year sometime, I think I must say October, September. And she get a letter say the interview postponed again till 2026. Not even 2025, you know. 2026. I've never heard of this in my... Boy, sometimes there's history. And it's if you not talk to the people them yourself, because me I tell you the truth. If me never know her, because she have a work permit and everything now and thing. Because she have a work permit and her thing. So, in a fair man, she legit. So, let me tell you something. It's how me stay, and me never know the person for myself. You couldn't tell me nothing. Me I tell you the truth. That is why when it comes to immigration, you can't run down people because immigration have whole heap of different flaws and all kind of something where you hear people talk about and you say, please, nothing gonna go so. Let me tell you. Call me about another one too, but this video gone definitely too long. This video is almost an hour long. Really? Really? Oh my God. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you. Because this is sort of interesting too. And if you don't want to hear more, I don't know, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another video. I'm out. And we say family. That's what's up.